glad he loved me first, in spite of me. He loved me anyway. So. We'll do you. Yeah. God is... exactly. Amen, Blue. We'll do you another old Ralph Stanley thing. We've never done this on stage, but we've kind of been playing around with it. And Elmer said, I think like that. So
I like it.
We'll get John to kick it off and we'll all have a little piece of it. And God bless you, and we'll see you a little bit later on this evening with all the festivities that are yet to come. Thank you, Vic. 9 miles from here where I get my Milwaukee beer, there's a lady that's got me on a string. She's the worst you ever saw. She nearly broke my jaw. She made me carry my left arm in a sling. She's my darling, my daisy. She's not deep and lazy. Her back box ankle and she's lame. Overdoses like a cork. She's a terror of New York. She's my long, skinny, lanky Sarah Jane. Oh, Jane, good old Jane. Won't you come back to your boathead once again? Oh, they say her teeth are false, for they rattle when she walks. She's my long, skinny, lanky Sarah Jane. Oh, she promised to meet me when the clock struck 17 down at the stockyard about 3 miles out of town. There were pig's feet and pig ears and old Texas steers, sirloin steaks 14 cents a pound. She's my darling, my daisy. She's not deep and lazy. I'm back bow-legged and she's lame. Oh, they say she's mighty nice, that her armpit smells like spice. She's my long, skinny, and lanky Sarah Jane. Oh, Jane, my good old Jane. Good old Jane. Won't you come back to your bonehead once again? Oh, they say her breath is sweet, but I'd rather smell her feet. She's my long, skinny, and lanky Sarah